change, but I'm screaming out the window that was temporary. Young, what if we were wrong? 'Cause now I'm 22, but it feels like yesterday I was still 21. Where's the time gone? Every time we talk, it's about what we did last year, not this year, no. Growing up too quick has always been one of my fears, and it's happening, I wish you were here. We used to run through the city, jumping every fence, never scared of skeletons in our closets. Talk about our problems like it was a bunch of nonsense.